since I expired. Doesn't mean that I plan to retire. And now I have the power to bathe all of you in entertaining fire.
None needs to get rough, mate. You're lucky I didn't knock you already.
Not be a rat again.
My predictive subroutines detect an imminent threat in this area. Stick around. Your services may be needed.
Ha 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 ha. That's what you get for prank calling me. Not my problem to down one to go. Sire, ye did.
Hey guys, I'm Titan Clockman, and I'll be doing the outro cause Titan TV Man stormed off angry again, because gman Toilet shot his laser to his TV arm. So on that note, that will round up for today. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss. And I'll see you in the next video with Titan Speakerman and Titan Drillman. Peace out.